Good afternoon, YouTube. Today is the long-lasting waiting video of the lost E46. E46 has finally been registered. Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay. Long story short, 5 times technical inspection, 2 times wrong place, wrong appointment. You can say it like that. Oh. Hello, Felix. Hello. Hey, hey. Yeah, so very long show at Belgium to register the car, which was annoying. Inspection is very stupid also. So today we are going to be changing the mirror caps because the woman doesn't like the original ones.
No, they're ugly. Oké. Tadaa!
Is is er niet, die staat in het licht.
Oké, opnieuw.
Cool ones.
Oh, we
Very
gaan er niet
nice.
opnieuw?
Nee.
Oké.
Oh, hi Felix.
Tadaa!
Cool. Oh,
Nice. I like.
they're very much more pretty than the square ones.
More pretty.
Yes. So we're gonna go ahead and install them right now.
Oei.
Okay. So we're gonna try and get the cap off without getting the glass out. See, so the woman thinks this is the best idea.
The woman
My
doesn't
recommendation
think
is
anything.
taking the glass out, but
is just doing something and is learning
okay.
along the way.
Okay. So the woman is learning.
Oh, shit.
Ja.
Ik ga echt in mijn buik staan. En zo.
Mhm. I recommend
Hey.
you undo the mirrors.
Ja. What
Ja,
did you
okay.
say?
En nu?
I know,
En nu,
yeah,
ja,
inderdaad.
voilà. En nu?
You pick a second one, I think. I don't know.
This is how you break the clips.
No, it's not true.
Yeah, well.
Fuck. Fuck, I broke it. Ja! Helemaal.
Stop, doe eerst de onderkant.
Ja, best hè. En de zijkant hier onder. Oh yeah. Ik ben echt goed. Yay. Look,
Very good, very nice.
the difference.
So how many tabs did you break?
None. Echt geen hè. Pro. I'm a pro.
The upper one is broken.
No, it's not. Waar?
Bovenste rechts. And the lower one here is
Oh.
broken.
Oké.
And the upper one here as well. So that's 3 out of 4.
Yeah.
As I said, if you want to reuse them, undo the glass. So this is how it will roughly look like. But then mount it.
Pretty.
It's gonna look good. At least better than that side. Yeah. That's one.
Oh.
Mr. Felix. Hi. This is steady. Good.
Mooi.
Good. 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 Yeah, nice bike. Felix in the box.
Daar. Ja, oké. Fara's. Wacht hè.
Random shenanigans. Okay, so that's how you do one mirror, and now let's do the other. Okay, so now with the mirrors done, it's time for a new upgrade. You want to go get him?
Ja.
Okay, nice. Next update. It's time for new lights.
Ja.
5 minutes later.
Dat ga je onmogelijk
And
zien.
then there is one over here which you cannot see on the camera. Yeah. That bolt over there. But then on this side. See, so once you get the light out, you unplug all of the connectors everywhere. Ah,
Ja.
nice.
Hey.
So that's how you take the light out. Nice.
Yeah.
So let's undo the blinker and the light from the cover and everything, and then we'll install the new ones. woman is doing other side in the meantime. Okay, so now that you have the headlights, it's time to get the blinker and the plastic off and install them on the new ones. So, once that is out, this one is loose. You undo all of the clips here. And then there's one other over here. And now you have your plastic trim off. You just slide this down right here, and then you can undo it like so. Ta-da! It's looking nice, isn't it? Yeah. So we'll get everything back together and install it into the car. So the install process is reverse of the removal process.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe
So in the time lapse you saw that I mounted this first, then this first. I did need to do a little adjustment on this thingy right here. I did need to cut it a little bit off with the Dremel because the part was too long here and it didn't clip over it, so I just had to cut out a little bit. But this is because this is aftermarket as well, and then aftermarket fitment isn't always very great. So that's the lights assembled now, and we'll do the other one that is over here right now off camera, and then we'll install them back into the car. Okay.
Mooi hè?
Very nice.
Oh, dat is echt mooi. Had kunst zijn, had boos zijn. Hè?
Random side quest.
Waarom ze dat kunnen zijn?
Ik weet niet, omdat je konijntjes...
kunst van je.
Omdat ik altijd
Open
neem...
de doos voorzichtig, ik zou er kunnen uitspringen.
Het is echt een kun.
Ja, ik weet ook dat.
Papa, als konijntjes zijn, ga ik boos zijn. Hè?
Oh, dat is een kip. Bij
Chance. Hi chicken.
KFC.
Ja, wel.
Okay, so the lights are installed now, and it's finally time to peel the foil off. This most satisfying thing. Felix likes it as well.
Model. Very pretty.
Lights looking good. And then the other one. Okay, don't look it. Felix approves. Show me the lights. Yeah. Yes. And then the hazards. Yeah, they look good. Right now in the sunlight you don't see it very good, but I'll get a shot when it's dark and they look really amazing. Okay, so with the car looking great now, it's time to head out and go watch a movie. Maybe go to the petrol station first. But yeah, right now lights are in. I'll add a clip of the lights in the dark after this, and yeah, that's that. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And subscribe.
Yes. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.